A is equal to 2 into the bracket L plus L into B plus B into H plus H into L bracket complete. ಆಯತಘನದ ಘನಫಲ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುವ ಸೂತ್ರ V is equal to L